Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be resetting the service indicator on a Mercedes C-Class. This one is a 2017. Okay, so what we have to do is we've got push button start on this one. So we press it once, so we get the handbrake light on, side lights. Sometimes the airbag light will stay on for a few seconds. And we get it to the trip screen. So this is the screen you want. Any of these, eco display is wrong, range is wrong. It's got to be on the trip display so you can see the mileage. Okay, and we're going to use the call answer button, and we're going to use the OK button. Now we're going to press the call answer, and very quickly afterwards we're going to press the OK button. So call answer, OK. We'll come to this screen. Okay, so we'll scroll down to Assist Plus, press OK, and it will tell us switch on ignition. So we'll press the start button again. It says there service be due, and we'll scroll down to full service, press OK, scroll down to confirm service, press OK again. Oil grade, choose your oil grade. Service carried out, scroll down to yes, cannot be undone, and we confirm OK. Full service completed. Okay guys, it's simple as that. So you turn it off, turn it back on, and you'll see the service warning has now disappeared. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.